don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Pyramids 1. I'm joined by the Sowetans, Umfana Lady Smith and Makeba. I'm next time I can interview Makeba. Yoma after 8. Yoma after 8. Ujani Steve. I'm Nandi Makeba. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Next game.
No, sibo ukrenda
utho. I'm Nandi member.
Hayi ngimnandi manje nisilindile la.
Eshaski.
Ayo gcola masadawana, gcola masadawana. Tshela ukuthi le channel lena masadawana meli wa respect. Hey ngeke ukwazi ukuthi unga interview ama champions yo attend igame yase Orlando. Asazi kodwa. Ukuthi why besho kanjalo but ke asikho lapho Steve. Sila egamini Steve. Namhlanje sizo witness iCAF final.
Yes.
Umuntu abengakaze ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyowe ngibuka iCAF final.
First time in my life.
First time in my life. And I don't know ukuthi ngiphindeke lento le. Hey Steve into enkulu. Hayi pick a stage and anyone who attended le game namhlanje.
Things you'll never see in Soweto.
Hey. It's difficult to say them in Soweto. Okay. I see here. No. Sibo ukunesi iCAF final even Africa yonke. You can go to DRC Congo, you can go to Egypt, you can go anywhere around Africa. This is the biggest thing for African football. Every fan elandela ibhola eAfrica may ukuthi khona team local if izodlala iCAF final. It is something huge for a country leyo.
Definitely.
Besides ke sengikhulumela nje imhlaba wonke like football yasemhlabeni wonke. If you keep on hosting ama finals, that means you are the best.
Yes.
If mangasho nje angiqale nje ngiyibeke lento ukuthi Sundowns masimele si consider kahle statistically if we have to calculate ezinye izinto. I think they have to change lo current best African team we Al Ahly.
Yeah.
I think it is something emele sibheke ukuthi iAl Ahly leyo they have been dominating it for the last 3 years if I'm not mistaken. There was a time la badlala khona against them kwi-AFL. There was a time badlala khona kwi-CAF. There was a time ebashaya ngo5. They came in, they played the semi-final, they won. They scored a goal away from home. So I think if you bheka sonke leso stats it must tell you something about Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi if you are able to defeat my champions, current champions as Africa, aphethe African football.
Team.
Yangithola. So Stibo, I think leso stats leso kumele sisibheke kahle but masiza kule game you know this European football man, it's dominating the world mfethu. It's dominating the world. You look at this coach, they play angazi noma ngizothi European football but engakafiki at the level yalesibukayo thina yase Europe yangithola. But if you bheka the way abadlala ngakhona, you know with every time they want to ensure ukuthi khona lento ekuthiwa i-man oriented marking yangithola. Man oriented marking, it's just something that came in football yayikhona kudala but manje ba introduce back. If you bheka ama team amaningi, that is how they play. Every time they want to ensure ukuthi holding midfield I receive ibhola, it doesn't play. I know you may talk about midfield ukuthi they couldn't get the ball. Even it is possible if you holding midfield ayithola ball. Number 8 ngeke lithola ball. Number 10 ngeke lithola ball. Every time. That is why it is called an anchor. That is where everything starts. If you holding midfield because you receive a ball, then there's someone always who press this guy or receive a ball. He pick choice and obviously uzodlala back pass. And masedlala back pass goalkeeper ina choice uzodlala long ball. So it like they change strategy ozengaso. When you plan any into then they force you to udlala enye into yangithola. So if you don't have a holding midfielder ekwazi ukuthi idlale ibhola, that means one problem opposition team ebhekene nayo iyasho -1 problem. Then you go to the star player. This is sabiza kama maestro most of the time. It's someone who creates opportunities for a team at any given time. if ubheka ukuthi uRibeiro first half yonke every time he receive ibhola there's someone closer to his. They know exactly ukuthi i-dangerous point iMamelodi Sundowns it's either ila kwi-holding if holding ayitholi then it's Ribeiro yangithola. So mabedlala long ball they know ukuthi ama-second balls Sundowns mayewawina uRibeiro yakuphanisha ngalawo mabhola lawo. So every time they want to ensure ukuthi uRibeiro doesn't get that much of the ball. Ama-players abethola ibhola, that is why I think many people la abakhulumile be-criticize uSalez. He got the ball, he was able to get the possession, but what do you do with the ball? Decision making. You look at Reyners. For me, if uzodlala with this kind of a defense, izodlala ibe line so.
Yeah.
You know exactly. It is the same strategy as Barcelona against Real Madrid.
Sure.
If you have a speedy player, we connect team edlala high line. It is so difficult to go to runs behind the defense.
That's true.
And you playing Reyners kule formation le ukuthi ube uyena ozorana la izokukhosela ama problems because Reyners ama runs akhe I think most of the time akakwazi ukwa-crack ukuthi athi ngiqale ngigijime manje ibhola selisukile. Like he wants to run before the ball starts. Yangithola I expected him ukuthi uzoba nama offside but ama offside akabanga nawo most of the time because bengakhona ukuthola ibhola bengakhona ukuthi makuphoswa ibhola lapha yalikwazi ukumfica because this guy made lama cheats lama center back oyi2 and amgadile same thing ebiyenzeka ngapha kwiMamelodi Sundowns bagade this guy umfistin mayele le ekuyona dangerous play yona umuntu oscora ama goals lapha ngizoyithi market value yakhe manje ithi 50 million if I'm not mistaken. So I don't think Kaizer Chiefs can afford that guy. Ngizwile kuthi Nabi spoke to him bekusho impilo lapha ku Nation ethi Nabi spoke to Fiston uzothini iChiefs phela kumele ikhiphe imali uzothini Fiston Mayo no Fiston Mayo uzosho ukuthi okay you can buy me but une agent ethi enza ama decision makings yangithola but ke mawubheka uKhuliso Mudau for me 10 out of 10 defensive line mawubheka defensive line yonke I think ngizomnika 10 out of 10 performance. If ubheka this guy number 8 he was one of our players if ubuka ileague yabo bonke ama matches up he's one of those players that dangerous akwazi create some opportunities because this is how they play. Remember mayengena against Orlando Pirates that guy le number 8 bekwazi penetrate lapha ku Dino van Rooyen because Dino van Rooyen is not that very good playing defender or tackling but if you look at playing against Khuliso Mudau there was a time in first half la a keeper khona ibhola this guy uya receive uyalikhipha ujika uyajaka ngiyasho ukuthi how this guy ulikhipha la let ball alijaka kubene bhekene noMdau uyamazi uMdau ne speed and he didn't get the ball uMdau walifica wabuyele move every time uMdau bekanza ama tackles are successful because of this guy decision making yakhe I think imshayile ukuthi every time ufuna ukudlala i1v1 I think if naye mhlawumbe bekabuya back la midfield azo add kulezi ngana lezi ntwana lezi abo Tower khona le number 14 man ayimnandi le number nidlale kamnandi le ngizokukhulumela nje abane ngibhola ngilibukile mina le ntwana le nidlale kamnandi against Sundowns namhlanje because into eyenza ukuthi adlale kamnandi ukuthi these guys every time mabe press Aland umkwena has to come back azosiza uAland ukuthi akwazi ukususa ibhola emove and mayesusa ibhola emove midfield kusele player A1 that is why they introduced to Adam because kusele player A1 is either kusele uSalez kusele uRibeiro every time base babona ukuthi okay because this guy Matthews is someone who's giving us speed. Let us substitute him and add someone also kwazi occupy the space nesesalayo la ngaphakathi every time umkwena mayesiza uAland yangithola. So it was all those kind of things ezibambisa Sundowns and if you look at their first goal it was that long ball edlaliwe and kube uJalen Adams ngikutshela uyosisa ibhola lapha emuva wahamba nalo kwaba icross wangenela inini la angibuya ngapha kumDau wakoro Ribeiro and you know to Ribeiro is very very clinical and futhi Ribeiro ngimbonile bebemfundi unyawo lakhe ukuthi akangeni ngo right angangeni ngo left every time be ensure ukuthi okay aka force ukuthi ashute ngonyawo la ka right they know it is weaker foot angeke akwazi ukushaya ngo right so every time befuna ensure ukuthi maye thola iball wena bamba unyawo la ka left ukuthi ningadlali
Makeba man of the match.
Okay, still, I'd say man of the match is going to be Khuliso Mudau without fear of contradiction or what, because I think with the best right back in the country still, I think Khuliso Mudau deserves a category of his own award still, without including even any player in the PSL still. A national gem still. Yeah, that I could give it to him. Yoma.
After 8.
Ne message nama for Makosi ne. Kusasa ne from now on till next season. They don't qualify to wake up before 8. They must wake up after 8. Come on 9 o'clock there. And they don't qualify to sleep before 8. They must sleep after 8. Everything after 8. They must not even, Chiefs must not play at 3 o'clock. They must play after 8. Come on 9 o'clock. So next season, everything after 8. Everything
After 8. After 8.